and welcome. I'm Megan. I'm a photographer and watercolor artist with chronic health challenges, POTS, and restrict issues. I want to encourage you and for you to see what is possible. I've learned a lot from traveling with chronic health challenges. There are a lot of things that I've learned through necessity while traveling that I've brought back home. Things that make daily life easier with chronic health challenges. So I'm beginning an ongoing series on my channel. Not a part 1, part 2 kind of a thing, but just ongoing videos as I learn things. Number 1, let me tell you what we're talking about. Here's 3 things that I have brought home from travel that really help make daily life easier with health challenges. Number 1, having a bag already ready to go when you want to go somewhere has been really helpful to me, and I brought that home from travel and started using that at home. So if I want to go somewhere, my purse is already packed with the things that I need. I've actually started using travel medicine containers, refill into the little travel Tylenol containers, and then put that in my purse and work out of that instead of out of a regular prescription bottle when we're at home. Because when we were traveling, I had to do that. And it turns out having stuff with you already ready means you could go somewhere and do something much easier. Your bag is already packed. You're literally living out of your purse for your daily life stuff. And that means you just grab your bag and you go out the door. Instead of, oh, I want to go somewhere, let me go grab my water bottle, and where's my medicine container, and I guess I better make sure that I don't need prescriptions while we're out and about, and oh, do I have my glasses, where's my, it becomes a really big deal then to go somewhere, to find all of the pieces and gather them up and collect them and then be ready to go. By then you've used all the energy up to go somewhere. So to have your purse or your backpack or little red bag or whatever already packed, living out of that right next to you at home, and then when you go somewhere you just grab it and you go somewhere, that has been a really great thing that has helped me to be able to do things now while we're home, and I can even use that to grab my bag and carry it to a different location in the house and know that I have everything with me, instead of being oh, well, I can't go paint in the backyard, I might need my prescriptions in a half hour. Well, you just take your bag with you, it's already in there. That really has helped. Number 2, shower seat and dry shampoo. I didn't get these for travel, but I started using them consistently when I travel. They go hand in hand because either you get help showering with a shower seat while traveling, or you don't shower and you use dry shampoo. You may have seen the Amika one in the What's in My Makeup Bag video. I originally got it in an Ipsy bag, I think. I remember trying out a few at a grocery store years ago, and none of those worked as well. Use this before you get your hair wet trying to wash your face. And for the shower seat, I have found a foldable one on Amazon. You want to make sure that if you're going to try to travel with it, it's the kind that can fold up. And then that way you can put it in the shower wherever you go. Check with the people if you're renting a house or something that they have a handheld shower head, or maybe find one, bring your own or something, so that you can pull the shower head down and actually shower while you're sitting, so that you don't have to stand in the shower to get a shower. Number 3, my new medicine container setup. Did I say that too fast? So exciting. I never really thought I would be somebody who got all excited about medicines, but okay, here we go. I used to use this giant bag with the full 90-day supplies of all of the different medicines, and then put that in my suitcase. And then I would also use a larger 6-well daily medicine container. 6 compartments? I guess well is a painting term. 6-well medicine container. A 6-compartment medicine container. But before we traveled last time, I got this teacup size container that holds a month's worth of 7 different medicines. And I also got a tiny 2-compartment daily one that fits in my phone size purse. This may or may not work for you, but it's worth figuring out what does work for you. Focusing some attention on streamlining your system. it makes travel so much easier. And when you bring that home with you, it makes daily life easier for you. You can check out my video on the new medicine container setup that I have in this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.